Hello aspirant, this video is all about syllabus and exam pattern of OHPC MT HR 2022. There is no official communication from OHPC so far for syllabus, but exam pattern is given in official notification, so based on given exam pattern, we provided syllabus for both part 1 and part 2. All topics of both parts are given as per our experience, and many PSUs follow similar syllabus. Here you can see the exam pattern which is already available in official notification. Syllabus is divided into two parts with topics. Here you can see topics from part 1. Here you can see topics and subtopics of subject knowledge including labor laws. Here you can see general aptitude with 4 sections with topics. We covered all important topics from general aptitude or general paper. This is all about syllabus and exam pattern. If you want to read this article, you can just click on the blog section and click on this article title. For inquiries, please call or WhatsApp on given contact number. For more details, visit our website www.hrpreparation.com. Happy learning!